Nearly every person who can do a pull-up started out as a person who couldn't even do one pull-up, including myself. What I want you to do is by the bar. You can't do a pull-up, by the bar. That's okay, you never even have to do a pull-up. But it's one of the best pieces of equipment, these two, whatever gloves you like, that will bring you more opening, grip strength, feeling of length than anything else. It's relatively inexpensive. So even if you just hang, even if you just work on your grip strength, your forearms, ooh, that's a great opening in the shoulders, tractions your spine. Look up the benefits of hanging training. Then maybe you could work on just playing around with leg position, knees in, maybe up and down, wide and in, working the hips, working the core, working the obliques, and a little bit more hang time. Some of those resistance bands, I'm using my robe tie, and you work on doing the same kind of move that you would need for a pull-up. Eventually, maybe you get yourself a little stool and you work starting really close, high up next to the bar for a little bit of a hang and down, a little bit of a hang and down. So baby steps incrementally from that 90-degree or even more acute position, whoop, get something that's more stable than this. Maybe you lift from there and come back down. So lift and lower through the ankle, but you're really gripping and holding on to that bar. Put a resistance band around your feet or both feet and help that give you a little bit of what you need to get up to the top. There's 1,000 ways to do it. By the bar, play around on it, make sure you're safe.